When it comes to fighting fires, there's lots of logistics involved, but some new smartphone technology could make that all easier. That's why Senator Cory Gardner was in the Valley today to watch a simulated situation right here at Watson Island.
Brush 5 and Engine 1, I would like for you guys to cross the footbridge and begin constructing fire line.
This is how managing an active wildland fire is currently done, with radios and a physical map.
We usually have to use topographic maps of the area to get an idea of where the fire is burning.
It's a system that most incident commanders have used for years.
In terms of knowing exactly where the GPS location of our firefighters are, that's currently a very rare thing to be able to do.
But it's possible to make it better. Firefighting groups showed Senator Gardner a new system to track firefighters in the field. It's an app called the Team Awareness Kit.
Every person that carries the app will be able to see a dot for where all the other firefighters are at.
Through the app, they can also mark if a fire has grown in a specific area and put eyes in the sky.
We can even access drone feeds to show live video over the incident.
But what if the fire is in an area with bad phone service? The system can still work through mesh radios firefighters carry.
That mesh radio will create its own data network to send messages directly between firefighters.
Senator Gardner has worked on legislation to get FEMA to integrate this type of tech nationwide and sees greater capabilities.
Search and rescue efforts, if you've got some other kind of a demand in a city environment with police response.
Tech that could save lives and time.
It's remarkable in its effectiveness. It's going to save lives. It's going to make better decisions possible on how to fight that fire.